Okay,
This
see.
edge control needs to control my edges.
Period. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee, if you guys did not know already, and today I have a special guest. This is my niece. So for those of you who do not know, I have an older sister. She's 9 years older than me, and she lives in Dallas. Well, really Plano, but we're just gonna say Dallas. She lives in Dallas, and I have 5 nieces from her. Okay, so this is the oldest. This is Sarah.
Hi.
And Sarah, y'all. Sarah's going to the 6th grade this year, okay? So you know, when you go to the 6th grade, it's time to level up. Like, you can't go into 6th grade being the same 5th grade girl that you were. You know, it's time for you to level up. So today I'm gonna teach her how to do her edges. I feel like edges, sorry y'all. I feel like edges are just like an essential part of a bun. She usually wears her hair like this in a bun, or she has braids. And you know, when you lay your edges with braids, it's all different feel. And also when you have a bun, you know, it just adds more to your face and just makes your bun look, you know, more than what it is. So that's what we're gonna do today. Are you excited? Girl,
I ain't ready.
so just I want you to know that I got you your own edge control and I got you your own brush so you can practice this whole time. I got you a pack of toothbrushes because that's what you lay your edges with. There's edge brushes, but girl, we're gonna lay, you know, we're gonna do toothbrush, okay? But one of these I gotta give to your little sister because when I got here, I left mine at home and I used y'all toothbrush to lay my edges. One of these is your sister's, and then you can have the other 3 because you're gonna lose these brushes because that's just what happens. I lose mine all the time. And over time, it's gonna get dirty from using edge control and stuff, so yeah. So the edge control I got her, just to start her off, I got her the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben. I got her the extreme firm hold because her hair is pretty coarse, and this is what I use to lay my edges. Over time, as you're doing your edges and you get into your own, you're gonna find out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. This is what works for me, so that's what I got it. That's why I got it for you. If it doesn't work, then you're gonna just keep trying and you'll find one that works for you eventually. If this doesn't work, I feel like it will work, but whatever.
It
So
sounds pretty solid.
but yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your toothbrush and you're gonna dip it in the edge control. Well, this is what I do. You can either dip it, you can dip your finger in and apply it to your edge first, or you can do it with the edge control. But I feel like the best way as a beginner is just to go ahead and go right into it. So go ahead and dip it in the edge control. Well, you can't be heavy. I mean, you can't be light-handed. You gotta really get it because you got hair. You don't got hair, you got hair. Period. Okay. So what I like to do, I personally start in the middle. When you get comfortable, you'll start wherever you want to start. Okay? So I can start in the middle, and you see like, look down. You see where like your hair isn't really laying, like going upwards. It's kind of just like really short. These are like your baby hairs, and you kind of have them already, like how it's really soft right here on these edges. You're just gonna take this product and kind of just smooth those edges out. So I like to take mine and apply my toothbrush to my hair, and I like to go in a downward motion. Just to like, so I can see them. So go to the edge, downward. I feel like you're gonna be really good at this because you like to draw and you're like really precise. So yeah, okay. So that's like right there in the front. So what you're gonna do after you go down and you kind of lay it down, because we're laying our edges, you're gonna swoop and swoop it up into your hair. So swoop. There you go. Okay. Okay, but keep going up because you want to like take the hair and like, you know,
Push it up.
Yeah. There you go. Yes.
Nailed it.
So as you continue to do your own hair, you're gonna figure out how you want your edges. Me, I like a lot of edges, so I kind of get a little dramatic with it. If you don't want a lot of edges, you can just simply just go backwards, or you can keep going down. So now that you have this one edge right here, you're gonna create a new one right here.
Okay.
So dip back into there.
I think that's good, right?
Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. If you need more, then you can always add more. Then you're gonna see how where this edge stops. You're gonna create another one. So swoop down, like how I'm doing mine right here. thing on the sides. So you're gonna take, the sides are a little difficult because the sides can be a little thicker. So you can either make it one big swoop or you can keep breaking the edges down.
Yeah, try to make a big swoop.
Okay, you want a big swoop? Okay, so you see all this right here? You gotta really like get it up there. Okay,
This
see?
edge control needs to control my edges.
Period.
I'm gonna be flaking this 6th grade, I swear.
You gonna be fleeking the 6th grade?
Yeah.
Period. That's what we do. Like, you not finna go in and be like them other girls. And then, so it's the same. Okay, so the same thing when it comes to this side, but you don't want to like keep going all this way. You want to take it and go the opposite way. Period. There you go.
I'm gonna be doing this all summer to
and
make sure I got this.
Right, and then once you get it done like all summer, once 6th grade start, you gonna get up in the morning and just kill it.
I'm just gonna be like, she's gonna be like, Sarah, do your hair. It better be done in 5 minutes. Come back upstairs in 2 minutes. How did you get your hair done like that in 2 flat minutes?
Because I've been practicing, girl. That's why.
Have you not seen my hair go this way the whole summer?
Okay, no, yeah. Okay, so what you did kind of wrong is you put it down too fast. Yeah, just use your finger and it just helps guide it. Don't put too much. You put a little too much too, cause it's gonna get hard. That's what it's meant to do. You know how back in the day before you was laying edges, it just get all frizzy and stuff, all puffy around here when you go play and stuff. We over that. We don't play. We put on lip gloss, and then you might have to move your glasses a little bit. Yeah.
See, I look better without my glasses.
Right.
I honestly think I do.
So do you have any, what are you most excited about 6th grade?
I think I'm excited to see how it's gonna like start. Cause you mean, when you walk in the door for the first time, you're like, okay, what should I do?
Yeah, you have different classes. You don't have just one class anymore.
No, you don't have. Well, I mean, you still have a homeroom class.
Yeah, but you have more than one
class.
You have like 7 now.
7 freaking classes. And less than 30 minutes to go to. Oh no. No, this one's a little bit harder.
Yeah, because
it might around my ear, but I think I can get it.
You can. Yeah. See, how you flipped it. And you was about to push it back? No, how you had it like up here?
Oh yeah.
See how it's gonna be easier to put more force to push back? Ever since you were a baby, I could not wait for this moment for you to go to 6th grade. I didn't know that I was gonna teach you how to do your edges, but I just couldn't wait for you to like get to this age, like, cause I really like 6th grade. Like when I went to 6th grade, like that's when I figured out like what I liked, what I didn't like, if I wanted, like, you don't get into extracurricular activities, more after school stuff, and just like, you just becoming a new person. It's just a new level in life. And I just want you to be excited. I want you to be happy. Okay, right here by the ear, you can either get dramatic with it and take your sideburns and you can put it down like this.
Yeah, that's what I usually sometimes do.
You can put your sideburns down. So when you put on your glasses, they'll have just a little something, a little something. And then come right here on this side and just put your sideburns down. And that'll add a little something. Or if you start not liking the sideburn look, you can just swoop it up. But yeah, here you go. You can put on your glasses so you can see if you want to. But you did a really good job. How y'all think she did?
I think I did.
I think you did really good for your first time. You'll be practicing. And I know you did way better than me for my first time. They like really on swim, y'all. Like, look at that. Period. But yeah, I just want you to know that you're very beautiful. Okay? Don't ever think that you're not. I know that you may look a little different from other people at your school, but that's what makes you like popping. Because who wants to look the same? Like, they all look alike. And
you're supposed to be different in each way.
Period. You're supposed to be different in each way, and you are very different. And I love you for being different. I want you to love yourself for being different, and don't ever like think that you have to do anything to fit in or anything. You've always had that about you. Like, you really didn't care about what people think. And when you get to 6th grade, I want you to keep that, because it's gonna get harder and harder the older you get to like care about fitting in and should you look like this.
Back off.
Yeah, to feel like you should fit in or look a certain way, but you can look however you want to look. Whatever makes you comfortable, whatever makes you happy, you just stick to that forever and ever. Like, not even 6th grade, but forever. Okay? Yeah.
Subscribe to Leah.
Yeah, subscribe. So, that's pretty much it, y'all. I just want to really show, get out the camera. I just really want to show her how to do her edges, because I just feel like, well, I already told y'all, it's an essential part when you're growing up, you know, this black girl, this beautiful black hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Notification bell.
The notification, I never say that, but she said it, the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.